cases of COVID-19 are rising significantly in China. Days after relaxed restriction following widespread protests, now fears are growing a resurgence of the virus may lead to new mutations and trigger another global health crisis. Neighboring countries like India is stepping up surveillance, and the World Health Organization is urging Beijing to provide more information to help the world prepare better for a possible new wave of COVID-19. These people in China's capital are waiting to find out whether they have COVID-19. The government started reducing pandemic restrictions this month, but now infections are rising along with virus-related deaths. An increasing number of patients have tested positive for COVID-19, and we have seen a sharp increase in the number of patients at the fever clinic. We seem to be getting more and more patients every day. The government stopped mass testing after widespread protests against its zero-COVID policy. Official figures on case numbers are not available, as Beijing has changed its testing and reporting criteria, and that's worrying. The World Health Organization (WHO) is very concerned over the evolving situation in China, with increasing reports of severe disease. In order to make a comprehensive risk assessment of the situation on the ground, WHO needs more detailed information on this severity, hospital admissions, and requirement for ICU support. University of Southampton Dr. Michael Head said, "There is always a risk that a new variant will emerge. It's really impossible to say how great that risk will be. It might be the Omicron is covering 19's final track to play as it were, but we could see a new variant going forward." Some countries are preparing for another major outbreak. In Thailand, doctors are urging people to get vaccine boosters after it recorded 700 new infections in December, the highest number this year, and in India, which has reported some of the highest numbers of COVID-19 related deaths in the world. The government has held an emergency meetings and stepped up surveillance. People around the world have been celebrating the holiday season free of pandemic restriction for the first time in 2 years, but with infections increasing, those rules may be brought back to avoid new crisis.